Let's see if this complexion rescue can really rescue this complexion. So I love a good tinted moisturizer, and this one does more than just tint. It also has anti-aging skincare in it. So it has hyaluronic acid, which is really good for smoothing out any wrinkles. And then it also has a gel cream, which helps provide 24 hours of hydration to your skin. So I'm super excited for that. When you order a color online, it's always hard to know, did I get the right color? So I went with Dune 7.5. We'll see how blendable it is. It says you can use your fingertips. I like to use a kabuki brush, so that's how I'm gonna apply it. And let's go, here's our before. I've been using this brand since my 20s and I'm now in my 40s. So we're talking 20 years of using bareMinerals. Okay, so far I'm pretty pleased with the color match, so that's good. And then I like to put it on the back of my hand because it kind of warms it up. And then I just take my brush and I dab it in. And then when it's on there, I just start dabbing it on my face. Now you could always do the fast way, which is just put it on your hands and wipe it on your face too. I definitely have done that when I'm in a rush. All right, I've used pretty much all of it, and that was all I needed. Just one pump for my entire face. Another benefit of putting on the back of your hand is now you have some sunblock on the back of your hand, and then I use the kabuki brush, and I just get the other side too. Little hack for you. Okay, first thing I noticed in the after, the glow. Look at that beautiful dewy glow. I always think the dewy glow just makes you look more youthful. The color blend on this was fabulous. So 7.5 really works. I was worried that it would be too dark, but actually I think we're good to go. I am in studio light, so I feel like it's extra glowy right now, but in the sun, it probably won't look as glowy as it is right now, but it feels good on my face. It's very lightweight, so it doesn't feel too thick, which I really like. And then it covered a lot of the redness that I was having on my face earlier. I had a lot of redness this morning, and I'm having a lot of dry skin right now. My skin feels a lot better than it did before as well. So super excited for this one. If you're looking for a really good tinted moisturizer with SPF 30, that is cruelty-free, vegan, all the things, highly, highly recommend this one. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe for more anti-aging skincare product reviews and content. Also, I did another video where I put two products together head to head in a showdown. One was one of my favorite SPF foundations and the other is one of my favorite CC creams with SPF. I tested them on my face, one half of my face, the other half of my face. Here's that video so you can see which one wins that battle. Hope you enjoy it.